Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, of course, Erica J. I have some loud luxury today, okay? I bought some treats for my face and my feet, and you might want to add them to your collection too. So if you're interested to see what I purchased, stay tuned. Girl, you know I love a good unboxing, okay? So today I have two treats for myself because your girl who loves to treat herself or get treated, okay? First up, I have some sunglasses. I'm not gonna say that I've had my eye on these. Now, if I can get them out the bag, that would be even better. Like, why are they stuck? But anyway, first up, I have a pair of glasses. I didn't necessarily have my eye on these, but they came out of the store with the shoes that I had my eyes on. So we're gonna unbox them together. I couldn't leave these in the store. Let's open them up. Nice little silk or nylon pouch, more like nylon. Your girl over here lying talking about it's silk. It's not. All right, let's open this up. Come out. And this case. And oh, they're upside down or face down. Y'all, aren't these glasses to die for? Can you see them? These are called the Gucci mask glasses. They have the Gucciismo, if I'm saying that correct, mask over the top. Can you see them? I'm trying to angle them so you can see it because at certain angles you can't see them. I love these. It's logo style, crazy. It's loud luxury. You know, that whole quiet luxury movement of like, don't show your wealth and all this nonsense. Girl, listen, I'm ghetto sometimes and I love a little bit of loud luxury. It has like the Gucci, can you see right here? It says Gucci on the side and this little cube, little situation right here spelled out. It's a rose gold tone. And let me try them on for y'all because baby, why do they look so cute? Look at them. They go right with this ponytail. Can you see it? Can you dig it? Rose gold with my little gold Christian Dior choker, my gold hoops. Cute. Who doesn't need a pair of these? I love them. I'm gonna link them down below with the prices. We ain't gonna say no prices on camera. Just click the link if you're interested later after this video. Don't do it right now. But super cute, y'all. I felt like even though I love a good logo from time to time, and when I did see these before and I was like, that's a little loud to me. But you know, sometimes it's like you gotta be loud. Take some chances. I love them. I just really love the whole overall tone. The red Gucci mask over it, and then it has like a pink. When you stand back, it has like a pink tone to it because of the rose gold. I love them, and I really feel like these are a good addition to my sunglass collection. I gotta try them on one more time, and I can't wait to wear these when my hair is straight with the middle part because you know that's like my favorite style, and all sunglasses that are oversized look good with that style. I love these glasses, y'all. Super cute. I'm so glad that these were able to make themselves a home in my closet. And I'm gonna put these face down. I'm gonna tell you something that I don't know if it was Chanel or it could have been Gucci. Told me a long time ago with your glasses to put them in the case face down. It helps from getting them scratched and moving around too much in the case, and then close the lid. So a little tip for you while we're doing this cute unboxing. Let me put these to the side, okay? And these shoes I scoot back. I don't know, you might not like these. These were a little bit of a, I don't know, kind of situation, but I really, really love them, and I thought about these for weeks. So when the opportunity came for someone to treat me, I said, yeah, let's go do these, okay? This would be perfect, you know, and it's not too much. I ain't trying to break anybody's bank, not today at least. But anyway, Gucci box, shoe box, simple and plain. Let's undo the ribbon. Now y'all, let me know what y'all think of these in the comments below. You hate them, love them, on the borderline with them. Let's see. So, cute little cloth dust bags that have the Gucci imprint on them. I'm gonna take them out, and I know y'all like, hurry up and open the shoes already, okay? Get them out of the dust bag. Okay, y'all, so well, they smell so good, baby, just like leather. Here they are, y'all, and this is a real unboxing. You see I had to take all the tissue out. These smell like alcohol. Oh my god, these are the Gucci interlocking G sandals. Okay, so they do look a little chunky, but they're so cute on, guys, and I cannot wait to wear them. I have a bag that is this exact same color perfectly. I had heels to match it, but I want flats because I'm more of a flat girl. I'm not gonna front to myself. I wear way more flats than heels these days, but let's get into it. These are super chunky. That whole chunky, what do they call them, dad sandal look that's been going on for the last couple of years. I love them, y'all. The color though, it's the color that got me because they come in green, I think they have orange, brown, white, and black. But this green stood out the most. I have been looking at these shoes for weeks and I was like, I couldn't decide if I really like them, but they have really been on my mind. They have gold hardware here and they have a Velcro adjustable strap for the back. Of course, I'm gonna try them on and insert the footage. Little peep toe right here, the little mold for your toe. They're very comfortable. It has a rubber sole, and the upper is a leather, of course. I love these, y'all. These will be really cute with the nice little A-line skirt, jeans. You can also take, because of the color, you can take these sandals into the fall. I really think this is a perfect addition to your sandal collection and to my sandal collection, because girl, if I tell you to buy them, just go ahead and buy them. Now, I really do like logos, I do, but I'm more of a not dressed down, but I don't like to look loud and flashy all the time. Well, not all the time, maybe just once in a while, not all the time. That's the same thing I just said, girl, stop repeating yourself. But anyway, so shoes like this, sometimes I'm like with the little interlocking and the Gucci, and I'm not really a huge super Gucci fan. Since I love flat so much, I love a good statement sandal that just sticks out, and this one for me does it. You know those thick and chunky Gucci logo sandals, the monogram print, I like those, but for me, like I had a pair, I took them back, I was like, those are just not for me, they're too loud. But this is subtle enough, right? It's the interlocking G. I feel like it's doing enough, right? But it's not doing too much. It's not like super loud. Something really flowy, a maxi dress would just really complement these shoes. They would really complement each other, and I really can't wait to wear these. Again, this shoe does come in a lot of other different colors, so look at the website, look at the colors. Another color might be good for you, but I just felt like this was different, right? It's not the everyday black, it's not the everyday cream, and the orange sandal was really cute too. So maybe if you have like a bag that you're trying to be matchy with, the orange would be perfect too, because sometimes, you know, we have to be matchy. I like that too, and I like to be off a little bit too, or monochrome. But nevertheless, I feel like these are good. I don't like to buy trendy shoes too much because they go out of style so very quickly, and they might be in for a summer or two, then you look up them, they're gone. I try not to buy things that are too trendy or have logos everywhere, even though that's fun sometimes. But me, I like things that are more so classic, that I can wear for like 5 years, 6 years at a time. I don't have to every summer keep running back to the store to keep up with what's trendy, because that's just like, ain't nobody got time for that. So I felt like, even though it was an interlocking G, a little bit of logo going on, I feel like these are gonna last because they're not the typical monogram or logo print that everybody is into. On my channel, it is truly a lifestyle brand. I cover fashion hauls, I do luxury unboxings. We talk about business because I'm a boutique owner. I'm also a teacher. If you watch my vlogs, you'll find out all about my life. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're into that kind of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, so that is my loud luxury unboxing for today. Let me know what you guys think about these sandals. I am very curious to see what other people think, because you know what, they could be a hit or miss. I know you guys like the glasses, but you know they're not everybody's cup of tea. So also let me know in the comments below if you like those. And yeah, until my next video, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to watch some of my other videos, including this one that's coming up next, and I will see you on my next video. I love you so much, and thank you for sharing your time. Peace.